If you're not specific with what your goal is, it's going to be near impossible to achieve it. If I said, I want to save more money, if I saved a penny, have I saved more money? Yeah, I've saved more money. I saved a penny. Woo! Job accomplished. I win. But if I say I want to save $100 a month and put it towards an emergency fund, now I know that at the end of the year I'll have $1,200 in the emergency fund. That's a huge difference. So when you are specific about your goals and you set clear timelines on your goals, it's a lot easier to achieve them because you're programming your brain to do the work for you. So if you have a goal that you want to do, you say you have a financial goal, you want to get that savings account, the emergency fund built up, decide how much you can put in a month and then put that much money in a month. So if you want to have $2,400 by the end of the year, then you're going to need to put $200 a month in. So you are going to figure out how to save or how to make $200 a month to get that emergency fund up to $2,400. For example, I have a friend who wants to get her mortgage paid off, and she's figured out that she can pay her mortgage off a couple years early if she pays just $20 extra a day. So she is in the process of figuring out how to make just $20 extra a day that she can then put into her mortgage. It is simple, specific goals that will help you achieve your goal. If you aren't specific about it, it is going to be impossible to achieve your goal because it is way too vague.